This video is going to be a close look at Scenario Builder, the way to make a customized curriculum in eTrain. Let's start with a preview of what we'll make. We see some background info, and this is one of the questions we'll program here. We get started from the menu of the eTrain Manager dashboard by selecting Scenario Builder. To begin, we need to select a previously uploaded video. This video can be from the eTrain Basic Curriculum or from your agency's own video database. You can preview the video once it loads, you can play it, skip around, or use the arrows here to go frame by frame. We'll create a new scenario for this video and name it, quote, Kentucky Vehicle Stop Shooting V1, end quote. Other scenarios using the same video could be named at the end, quote, V2 or quote, V3, and they can emphasize other lessons relevant to this encounter. We can now move on to making prompts to test officer performance. We'll add our first prompt and then update the prompt time to where we are in the video. You'll then see the video frame update here. The prompt type we will make first is for background information. After writing out the text, we save this prompt, leaving other fields below blank. In the list of prompts for this scenario, you can now see your first prompt stored here, with the ability to edit or delete from these buttons shown here. We let the video play, skipping ahead to the place in the video for making the second prompt. We'll add a new prompt. Noting the video frame is already updated, here we will select a single answer question. The prompt takes the form of a question, which we type out here. We pick the prompt categories this question overlaps with, and move on to the answer choices. Here, the answer texts are a simple yes or no, and we indicate which is the correct answer to this prompt. Below, you can add a more detailed answer explanation, which the officer can use for performance review. We save the prompt, and now our customized scenario has two prompts at the locations in the video we have chosen. We'll add one more prompt to show the flexibility of Scenario Builder. This prompt involves selecting multiple answers, and it fits all the way at the end of the video. As before, we use the plus button to add a new prompt. We verify the video frame is updated and select the prompt type, here making a multiple choice answer question. We write out the prompt text again as a question, and we select the prompt tags for that question. Here, the answers are more nuanced than before, and we have two correct answers. We skip the answer explanation by choice and save the prompt. After saving, we can review the list of 3 prompts we've made as the scenario layered on top of this video. We can review the customized curriculum we've made here, seeing the first 2 of our 3 prompts made here. Any of your agency's officers with an active eTrain account can now test and train with this new scenario. In this way, you can supplement the comprehensive eTrain basic curriculum with scenarios customized to the specific encounters you see most often in your community. Be sure to like or to subscribe to DeServo's YouTube channel to see other helpful content on eTrain like this video.